Well, hello guys, this is Rusty Glovebox here, and I tell you what, it's another Thanksgiving's done come around and time to cook the turkey. Last year's turkey was a great hit and everybody wanted me to cook it again for this year. So let's get after it. Well, we're preparing to get ready to cook. One thing that I've learned is put your little foil in here, and when you set your bird in there, that'll catch some of the juices. It's not going to catch it all, and it will kind of steam and help baste itself, and this makes it easier to clean up after you're done. And I do something similar to the bottom. Well, I've got my gas on, and that's how you get it going. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to cut this heat way back now. We've got our smoker all heated up. Well, got him sitting in there, and I've got my temperature probe. It's easier to put your probe in before you stick him in the smoker, so try to remember to do that. And what I'm going to do now is plug my little timer in and thermometer. And there we go. We are counting down. Well, it wouldn't be a smoker unless it was smoking. So what we're going to do is put some of our wood chips in there. And try to get more in the little hopper than you do on the floor. We'll see. Well, here's a quick shot, and right now it's up to 69 degrees, and we've been cooking for like 40 minutes, and my target temp is 165. You want to cook these kind of like you're hunting them. You want to like sneak up on that temp. You don't want to just heat it up real quick and everything. So slow and easy. Well, you know what that's saying? That's saying wake up, get out of that chair, and get over here and tend to that bird. So anyway guys, this looks like this is another Char Broil Big Easy success. And so let's get this inside. Well, okay, it's been sitting here a while, and we're going to see how it looks. Looks good, smells good. Look at that. So anyway, that's real good. Tastes great. I appreciate y'all coming by the back porch today. And so y'all have a great week, have a great Thanksgiving, and this is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm